I think an individual is more involved when there's a collaborative divorce process as opposed to a traditional litigated process. I say that because the heart of the collaborative divorce process are four-way meetings. That means it's a meeting together where all the interested people come to the table. You may have the couple who are divorcing. Their two collaborative attorneys would be there. After that, depending on the purpose of the meeting, you may also have a financial professional there. You may have coaches for each of the husband and wife or each of the parties there. You may have a child specialist there to give some information about what the children are going through and how they see this. Because you're coming together in that meeting, that's a lot different than what would happen otherwise. Otherwise, if I'm representing a husband, for example, and there's a financial issue that needs to be addressed, he might call me, talk to me about it. I might call our financial expert, but we've got our own expert, and the wife will have her own expert. Once we've got an idea what he'd like to have done, then I would be calling the other attorney. The two attorneys would have this conversation that neither husband or wife is involved in. Maybe at that point, then her attorney is going to call her, and sometimes it almost feels like one of those old games of telephone. You know, everybody's trying their best at each stage to report accurately on what they've gotten from their client or from the financial expert, but there's always a layer of a little bit of a curtain. When we're handling things through a four-way meeting, the client is there. They are hearing what's happening. They are able to speak and have their voice heard in a way that I think is a little bit more immediate and more effective than when everything is filtered through an attorney.